The t-shirt has been a means of self-expression for years. It tells the world who we are and what we're about. And the first thing that comes to mind is the large front chest graphic. Yeah, like that. But what if I told you there's something else? The left chest, big back.
Big back, big back.
No, not that kind of big back. The big back graphic. Let me show you a few, all right? This is boxing one. There's the LA one that I showed at the beginning, Von Dutch, Stay Hard, Stay Humble. There's a few brands, Mickey's, that do this, Smoke Fit. It's a great way to be subtle, right? But then classy at the same time, you know? And you get people coming and going. And you can see that there's so many of these that I'm not just pulling this out my hind parts, all right? Excellent way to brand yourself. But this is T-Shirt Help Desk, guys. You know what we're gonna do? Let's make one. So I went over to Kiddo and found this really cool artwork. I suggest you change it up, but I just wanted to make a tee. All right, so that's the left chest, that's the big back, and that's the left chest. And I took it over into the X-Tool software, and that's what it's gonna be. Both of them on one big sheet. Let's press print. So I got the X-Tool all fired up, and we are ready to go. That bad boy is printing, and it's going through the powder, and then it comes out of the bottom. You set it and forget it. Now it comes out like this, powdered, cured, and ready to go. And you can see that we have the big back, and right in a little corner, we have the left chest. So what I'm gonna do is get my scissor and cut the left chest out. We cut it out, and then you don't have to do this, but I'm just gonna trim off the edges over here on both sides. I'm gonna trim the top and the bottom too. Now, people have a tendency to just eye this, right? And this is where people get left chest prints all messed up. Let me show you a few things. You see this guy, this guy thinks he's hot stuff, but his left chest thing, it's like almost in his armpit. Now look at this guy. This is the guy I took on Instagram. I just took some screenshots, but look, right? And look at this guy. It's like all up in the corner. It's in his armpit. You guys, stop putting your left chest too far over to the left. Let me show you how it's done. Here's your t-shirt. That very top point of your collar, that's your high point shoulder. You want to go straight down about 8 or 9 inches. And X marks the spot. And you want to center your graphic, not push it over to the side, center it. That's how you do it. You always want to go from that collar part right there, the top of the collar, not that side, but that side. And you want to go straight down. That's your high point shoulder. You want to go straight down. And if you want to take all the guesswork out of it, you know what you can use. The Super Ruler is perfect for things like this. And all you have to do is line that up with the collar, all right? Just like that. You square it up and line it with the collar. And you can see there's a line going straight from high point shoulder to left chest. Now, your personal choice, you can center it exactly where you want it, all right? That is there as a suggestion, and you can use the holes to move around your graphic without lifting up the ruler. Now that you have it where you want it, just lift it off and you're good to go. But to make sure that everything is cool, we're just gonna tape that down in place with our heat tape. You can't just use a regular tape. You have to use a heat tape because regular tape, the heat press will leave residue. So we have our Auto Press 2, which is an amazing heat press, especially for beginners. We're gonna cover it up with our cover sheet, hit it 300 degrees for 15 seconds. And all you have to do is push a button. All right, we're gonna pull it out, take off our cover sheet, and we wanna let it cool off, right? Because this is a warm peel, all right? Air it out a little bit. Now it's peel time. Pull it off, and look at that. We have a left chest graphic. But that was left chest. Let's turn it over and get to that big back. Let's lay our artwork down. We're gonna take it and we're gonna fold it in half because the ruler also has guides for a back graphic. So I'm gonna take it, slide it under, make sure that it's nice and square, center it, remove it. And just to be safe, we're going to tape it down with more of that heat tape. And you can see with this one, there's a little extra right there because the heat press is a 15 by 15. And this is a pretty big graphic. No worries. We're going to do this bad boy twice. So we're going to add our cover sheet, throw it in there, hit the button, 15 seconds, about 3:15. Pull it out, and we're not done. We did the top, so I'm going to turn it sideways, right? And we're going to add that cover sheet, and we're going to throw it back in there for another 15 seconds. We're going to pull it out. We're going to twist it, right? Let it cool down a little bit. Peel. And just like that, you have an even centered, big back, left chest t-shirt.
T-shirt help desk.